Welcome to my channel, my Showbiz Corner. Viewers, supporters, subscribers.
Nakaka-proud bilang 18 dahil parting-parte at model endorser ang SB19 sa new launching ng Xiaomi.
Brand Ambassadors, SB19! Guys, SB19! Let's give them a round of applause. Welcome to the program. But before we start, batiin nyo naman ang ating mga viewers on our live stream.
Good evening po sa inyo lahat ng mga SB19. Thank you for having us here. Muli ako si Pablo.
Ngayong gabi sa panahon ako si Ken.
I'm Justin. Hi everyone, my name is Tel. And I'm Josh.
Now guys, if you didn't know, actually sasayaw tayo today. Yes! Hindi na lang. Pwede naman, di ba? No, I'm just joking. But really, this is your third year with Xiaomi. This is your third year collaborating with Xiaomi. How does that feel for you guys?
Of course, napakagandang start ng year kasi January pa lang we are here with you guys, of course, with our Xiaomi family. And sino ba naman ang hindi magiging masaya having being part of this big name sa industry na to. And of course, same kasi ng goal si SB19 and si Xiaomi. So we're very happy to be part of this big family. And of course, 3 years na sa kanila. Maraming salamat po sa tiwala and hanggang ngayon magkasama pa rin tayo. So we're very happy and honored and blessed to be here today.
Actually, ramdam din po namin yung growth with Xiaomi. Kasi nag-start po kami sa Redmi Note 13. And nakandito na tayo sa 15. So, talagang ang tindi po talaga ng growth.
So, narinig niyo yan, every year umaangat sila. Same goals kasi, di ba? But each year is indeed special. This time, it's Titan Tough. As titans in the industry, what does Titan Tough truly mean for you?
Type of po kasi parang same po sa amin yung journey namin nung nag-start kami as an artist. Talagang hindi madala yung struggles namin, yung pinagdaanan namin. But still, nag-stay kami as a matibay tao as an artist, And ganoon din po sa Xiaomi. Kahit siguro yung malibag ko dyan, hindi ko mawasak. I don't know.
Pero po sa hindi mga nakakalam, 7 years na po yung grupo namin. Ang tagal na po namin magkakasama. Pero 10 taon na po kami magkakasama. And now, we have established our own company. It's called One Zero Entertainment. So, katulad ng Xiaomi, Redmi Note 15, Titan Tough na lang, SB19. Kahit ilang taon na pagdaan.
Well, narinig niyo yun, matibay. No doubt that Redmi Note 50 series is Titan Tough. I experienced this yesterday, this morning. I'm sure you guys all experienced it too. Now I'm sure you guys have experienced that as well. I think you guys are going to share photos with us. And what are your favorite photos, right? Okay, let's go.
First photo!
Ito pong photo, aking photo. Nakita lang po ako sa cat kasi kamukha na po yung pusa ko na si Nikita. So, ang ganda po ng composition na. Ito po yung photo na to, medyo madilim na, parang sunset na. But as you can see, the detail, may clarity ka rin yung photo. So, yan, may shift. Tapos yung cat parang, para sa akin parang lion siya eh. Ganun yung feeling na binibigay na vibe ng cat. So, it's a nice photo.
Napaka-sentimental naman niya, guys. Let's see the next photo. Ano ba ulit?
Another animal. Ako po yan.
Okay.
Ako yan.
Hindi talaga kayo, no?
Grabe yung gagawa ng Xiaomi, no? You can transform. Ito po, kasi kanina kumakain ako, tapos nakita lang ako sa dot na yan. Pero, ang ano dito, ang touch dito, sobrang layo ng dot na yan. Sobrang layo lang sa my table. So, kinuha ko yung opportunity to use yung feature ng Redmi, which is the 200 megapixel camera. So kahit napakalayo niya, zero ko, and then surprisingly, ang ganda pa rin ang quality ng photo.
Ganda ng selfie mo, di ba?
Selfie ko to.
Selfie mo lang, di ba?
Yeah. So yeah, super cute ng moment na yan. And sana sa may-ari po nung aso, sana okay lang po na picture ko yung dog niyo.
Okay, can we see the next photo? Hindi na ano mga guys.
Yun naman po, sa akin po. Although mahilig ako sa black, sobrang gusto ko po yung photo na to. And you know, yung pagka-vibrant ng colors and yung brightness. And then what I love about this, like, gaya na sabi ni Sven, kahit i-zoom mo siya, kitang-kita mo pa rin yung pagiging crisp ng photo. So,
Ganda naman ng colors, guys. Do you see how bright these colors are? Okay, next photo. Wow.
Oh, this one's, I took this photo. Kasi huge foodie ako. And outdoor siya, so kanina, while we were having our lunch, parang sabi ko, nasa labas kami, gusto ko mag-try lang na mag-photo. And then, surprisingly, mukha lang balance ito, pero sobrang liwanag yung kanina. Yung sun, directly dun sa screen ko. But yung AMOLED na quality ng screen, nakikita ko pa rin yung pinapicture ko even though parang pag sa ibang perspective, di ba? Or sa ibang cellphone, mahirap na siya makita. But this one, I took it with actually very detailed and hindi ako nahirapan mag-adjust dahil sa AMOLED feature ng Redmi Note 15.
Nagutom ba kayo, guys? Parang nagutom ako eh. Okay, last photo.
At dito naman po, nung pinicture ko po siya, pinaglaruan ko yung parang telephoto effect ng Redmi na nagbo-blur yung sa likod. So nakakatawa kasi nagkakaroon siya ng parang focus sa harap, tapos medyo blur likod ka ng effect. Tapos nakakatawa din po na parang even though medyo dun sa moment ko na medyo padilim na siya paggabi na. So medyo clear pa rin yung photo, bright pa rin siya. So hindi siya lumabo. So ayun po yung na-enjoy ko with taking this photo.
Grabe, iba-iba yung mga vibes nila, no? You know what? This is truly tight and tough indeed. And this next segment is gonna prove that true. No, we will not be dancing. But you guys are gonna want to whip out your phones for this. Please refrain from waving your phones so that our live streamers can see it. But get ready, guys, because this is the Titan Crackdown. We will be giving away Redmi Note 15 phones signed by your favorite SB19 members